Hello everyone, I am Professor S. Arakale. I am here with another video of biotechnology, that is cDNA. We will begin with the introduction. cDNA, it simply stands for copy DNA or complementary DNA. This cDNA can be produced using mRNA as a template. Any RNA can produce cDNA. DNA copy of an RNA molecule is produced by the enzyme reverse transcriptase. It is obtained by avian myoblastis virus, that is AMV. The concept of cDNA is discovered by Temin and Baltimore in the year 1970. Preparation of cDNA. The cDNA can be performed by following three steps. First, first strand synthesis with a reverse transcriptase, second removal of RNA template, and third one is second strand synthesis. This is the working mechanism for the synthesis of cDNA. See here, the process begins with a single strand, that is 5' RNase, and end with 3' poly A tail, which is having oligo DT primer at the base, and after viral reverse transcriptase, the mRNA, that is 5' RNA, is separated from oligo T primer, which forms half hairpin loop with 3' end. When this half hair loop 3' end is treated with NaOH, it leads to form DNA polymerase. Then, after DNA polymerase treatment, it forms a complete hair loop strand, and the end of hair loop strand is denoted as cDNA with the help of S1 nuclease. And at the end, means at the last stage, we will see that here we obtain double stranded cDNA structure which begin with 5' and end with 3' end, and in another it begins with 3' end and ends with 5' end. So this is the simply working mechanism for the formation of cDNA structure. Now we will see the process of formation of cDNA structure in detail. When eukaryotic mRNA is used as a template, then poly T digonucleotide is conveniently used as the primer. Since these mRNAs have a poly A tail at their three ends, this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme poly A polymerase. Reverse transcriptase extend the 3' end of primer using mRNA molecule as a template. This produces a RNA and DNA hybrid molecule. This hybrid DNA is the copy of cDNA of mRNA strand. The RNA strand is digested by RNase H or alkaline hydrolysis. This free the single stranded DNA. The complementary strand of cDNA is synthesized by either reverse transcriptase itself or by E. coli DNA polymerase 1. Since the 3' end of cDNA signal strand is used as primer for the reaction, a short hair loop structure is generated at this end. The hairpin loop is cleaved by single strand specific nuclease to yield a regular DNA duplets. So here we are completed with the cDNA topic. Thank you everyone.